Video 24. In this video we are going to solve problems using rules of inference. So there are three methods available. So one is a direct method, the other one is CP method, that is conditional premise method, and third method is indirect method. So we start with the direct method. Direct method of solving problems using rules of inference. So problem 1. Show that the premises or conditional negation Q or yes conditional negation Q, P conditional Q and P are inconsistent. So here solution. Premises or conditional negation Q or yes conditional negation Q, P conditional Q and P. Conclusion should be inconsistent, means you should get a contradiction. So steps, reasons. Step 1. Among the premises, the letter which is coming alone separately, that is P is coming separately. Here or conditional, or yes. So premise which consists of single letter, that is P, that you will have to always take first. This is hypothesis or premise. Then having P with us, we can take next premise P conditional Q. You have P and also P conditional Q. This is also premise. Now third one, the conclusion is Q using modus ponens in 1 and 2. Or you can write rule P, you will write premise. This is rule T using modus ponens, that is the one. We have P and also P conditional. If P then Q, because we have P, conclusion is Q. That is what is called modus ponens. Or you write some rule T. Then after having Q, now here we have Q is involved in yes conditional negation Q, also or conditional this one. We can take any one of them. 4 yes conditional negation Q, premise. Fifth one, now here we have Q, but here negation Q is there. Write the contradiction of 4. What is the contradiction of 4? Contradiction of 4 is take negation on both sides and reverse it. If you take negation, you will get negation yes, negation Q is Q. Reverse it. Q conditional negation yes. This is what is known as contradiction, which is always true. From a conditional statement, if you want to go to contradiction, take negation on both sides. Double negation will become Q. Negation yes, conditional Q, and reverse it, you will get a contradiction. So now you can use, you have Q and you have Q conditional negation yes, using modus ponens, in 3 and 5. In 3 and 5 you will get a negation yes, and negation yes is there, or yes is there. 7th one, either or yes, but yes is not there, so definitely you should get or. This is premise. So you have either or yes. One of them should be true, but yes is not true, therefore or must be true. That is the conclusion. Or this is what is known as using disjunctive syllogism. In 6 and 7. Or you write by rule T, or you will write rule T. Actually the name is disjunctive syllogism. Either or yes, but yes is not there, so it should be or. Now having or here, you can take the hypothesis or conditional negation Q. Or conditional negation Q. This is premise. Now you have or and you have or conditional negation Q using modus ponens. In 8 and 9 you will get negation Q. You know our aim is to arrive at a contradiction. You have Q, you have negation Q, so Q you have and negation Q. This is conjunction in 3 and 10. So this conjunction is a contradiction. So Q and negation Q is a contradiction. So 11th step. So we have arrived at a contradiction. Q and negation Q, conjunction in 3 and 10. So because since we arrived at a contradiction, the given premises are inconsistent. Therefore the given premises are inconsistent. Therefore the given premises are inconsistent. Premises are inconsistent. Now here we have taken this contradiction of 4, right? Contrapositive of 4, not contradiction of 4, contrapositive of 4. Contrapositive. Contrapositive. Contrapositive is always true. To get contrapositive, take negation on both sides and then reverse it. Contrapositive of 4. So you have Q and you have yes conditional. Straight away somebody will write negation yes. That rule is also there. Without writing contrapositive also, from 3 and 4 you can immediately write negation yes. That is what is called modus tollens. That rule also you can apply. But if you apply contrapositive, you can apply modus ponens. So this completes first problem. Second problem, show that J and S logically follows from the premises P conditional negation or P or J and S. This is hypothesis. Conclusion is J and S. Solution. Premises are P conditional negation or and P or J and S. Okay. Conclusion is J and S. Conclusion is J and S. Now steps, reasons. First one is, among the premises, or is the one which having only one letter here, no conditional or no conjunction, disjunction, or is occurring individually. That we will have to write first, or premise. When you have or is involved here, that is P conditional negation or. P conditional negation or is contrapositive we can take. Third one, contrapositive is take negation on both sides and reverse it, or conditional negation P. This is also premise. This is contrapositive of 2. Now we have or, and or implies negation P. So you can apply modus using modus ponens in 1 and 3. In 1 and 3 you will get negation P. Fifth one, negation P is there, P or J and S. P or J and S. J and S. Premise. You have negation P and P or J and S. You treat this as a single proposition. So either P or this one. P is not there, so definitely you will get J and S. This is what is called disjunctive syllogism in 4 and 5. So thus we have arrived the conclusion, J or S. This is our 6. J or S. So this completes problem number 2.